di ay ang inyong ati Irish na chef sa karong buntaga. Ug sa karon na ada ko itudlon yung usa ka recipe nga di mo makalimot jud niya. Kaya man jud lami jud ni siya. So ang ako ding recipe na buhaton dai kuno guys ay ang chicken lollipop na pinakalami jud kaayo nga di jud mo makalimot. So mga ka-viewer no, magsugod na ta og luto.
Ingredients para sa chicken lollipop. First kay 5 pieces chicken wings. Second is 3/4 cup breadcrumbs. Third is 1 piece of egg. Fourth is 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. And 1.5 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. Last is 3 cups of cooking oil. First, divide the chicken wings into 3 parts by slicing through the joint. Set aside wing tip for other possible uses. Second is shape the wings to look like a lollipop. You should have 2 parts of the chicken wings by now. The one with a single bone and the one with the 2 bones. Start by selecting the part with 1 bone. 3 is arrange the meat by inverting the inner part until a lollipop shape is formed. Fourth is season the chicken lollipop with salt and pepper and let it stand for at least 15 minutes. 5. Crack the eggs and transfer to a bowl then whisk. 6 is dip the chicken lollipop on the butter then the breadcrumbs. 7 is heat well in a cooking pot then deep fry the chicken lollipop under medium until the color of the outer part turns medium brown, about 10 to 12 minutes. 9 is served with your favorite dip. Share and enjoy.